Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. In this session, we are going to discuss about thread life cycle. This is one of the most important entry question. Let's check thread life cycle and how many ways we can implement the threads in Java. So the first thing is thread life cycle. There are basically five stages in the life cycle of a thread as given below. First one is new, runnable, running, waiting, and dead state. So initially the thread in new state actually, and as soon as we start the thread, it is in runnable state. Still it is in runnable, not running actually. Okay, once we call the run method, and runnable running state will be started actually. In the running there are two different states, either end of the execution we can do it actually after completion of this one, or else even we can stop the thread in between. And another way is so we can sleep or wait the thread in a specified amount of time as per the requirement, and we can also resume it after sleeping or waiting state actually. Okay, and finally the thread will be in dead state. Okay, this is about thread life cycle. And coming to the next question, and in how many ways we can create the threads actually in Java. The first one is there are two different ways. First one is by extending the thread class, and the second one is by implementing the runnable interface. Okay, we will check it one by one, and there are some inbuilt methods getting the thread name is get name, and getting the thread priority get priority method we need to use it. And we can check it whether the thread is live or not by using is alive method, and thread is daemon or not, we can check it using is daemon method. And current thread also we can check it, current thread method actually by using current thread. So let's create some example actually here. uh, okay, so first thing is I'm just going to create it actually thread demo 1. Okay, cat demo 1. And for that, right, I'm just creating, assume that I am just creating public void run method. Okay, first method I am just giving. Okay, first it internal assumes that this is the run is the normal method. We need to use extends keyword, and thread class extends thread actually. Okay, for that, right, for integer I equal to 0, I is less than, okay, 5, and I plus plus, and I'm printing some statement here actually thread actually here. Okay, and plus I. Okay, now I'm just creating the object for this one. Okay, class name, and t equal to new class name. Okay, now I will use the t dot start method. Okay, start method. Now I will just run it actually. Okay, before that I will just print some started main. Okay, main. So let's check it what is the output here. Okay, see here, initially it will start the main, and then thread 0, thread 1, 2, 3, 4 actually. There are so the loop will be executed 5 times. This is about the first way by extending the thread class. And second one is implementing the runnable interface is the another class actually. Okay, runnable runnable demo 2 actually I can use it here, and I will just implement it, implements. Okay, runnable interface. So as soon as I give implement this one, I need to just provide the implement the public void run method, otherwise I will get compile time error. Just let's try to print the same here also. Integer I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I is less than 5, and I plus plus. Okay, let's try to print the same thing here also. Okay, so thread. Okay, and then followed by I. Here I am printing it. Okay, here what I need to do is I am creating the object here. Okay, runnable demo. Okay, and new runnable demo, runnable demo. Now, okay, I am creating the thread class actually. To start the thread, we need to create the thread here. Okay, because okay, so initially okay, thread rate new thread, we need to use new thread, and now I will just pass the this object inside the thread class. Okay, and t dot start method I need to use it. Okay, let's try to execute the same here. Now see here also we got it like an output as 0 1 2 3 4 actually. Okay, here also we'll print some statement sys out. Okay, started main. Okay, just I'm printing some statement here. Now check the output. Initially this will message will be initially this main method will be executed. After that 0 to 4 like the loop will be executed 5 times actually. And another one is as I discussed, right, t dot okay current thread. What is the current thread? Like we are just printing it here. The first thing is current thread. This is the current thread because main is the current thread and this is the priority. Okay, 5. Let's check the priority also. Sys out. Okay, t dot get priority is the method name, right? We can use it. Let's check the priority also. Okay, this is the priority. Okay, and priority we have three different priorities. Okay, in thread first, okay, the minimum priority is 1 and maximum priority is 10 and default priority is 5. If you are not assigning any priority to thread, right, default like we will get 5 actually. Okay, and another one is okay sys out t dot get name. What is the thread name? We can get it by using a get name method. Okay, let's check it. What is the thread name? This is the thread name, thread 0, it is executing. Okay, and another two methods we can check it. T dot is alive or not. Thread is alive or not. It will just return the boolean true or false. Still it is true actually because thread is running. Okay, and another one is we can get it. T dot is daemon method. We just we are checking it. Okay, this is also condition of true or false kind of thing. This is the you know true or false is daemon thread. Okay, let's check it. Okay, false, this is the is daemon, it is not the daemon thread. Okay, okay, this is all about like the thread life cycle and different ways of creating threads actually in Java by using extending thread class and implementing runnable interface. And by using which one is better? Any interviewer asks, right? Like, we can say that implementing runnable interface is the best way because even if we extend, the thread class and implementing more than one interface also, we can do it actually. For example, if we are extending one thread class, right, that is the final. We cannot extend more than one, thread class and all. Okay. But implementing runnable interface, okay, we can extend the thread class as well as implement the more than one runnable interface. Okay, we can use it. This is the best way of implementing the, runnable interface is the good approach. Okay, please practice it like with the different object sets and the loops and all, then you will get fair idea. Okay, please like this video, share with your friends and comment if you have any doubts. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.